Dr. Valentino to the OR, please. Dr.
Welcome
Valentino
everyone.
to the
Healthify
OR,
Ethiopia
please.
is here to healthify you, and we're about to tackle a health epidemic sweeping the nation. Actually, the world. I'm talking about text neck. Quick question, how are you holding your phone right now? Be honest, are you looking down at your screen slouching like this, or are you actually holding it up at eye level keeping your spine happy? Well, if you're like most people, you're probably guilty of text neck syndrome, a modern-day posture disaster that's literally ruining your neck and spine. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you how to fix your posture, avoid painful neck problems, and keep your spine strong. And trust me, once you start doing this, your body will thank you.
All right, guys, let's talk numbers because seeing is believing, right? Did you know that when you tilt your head forward to check your phone at just 15 degrees, your neck is holding up 27 pounds of force? That's like carrying a toddler on your head. Now, imagine going to 30 degrees, 45 degrees. You get the picture. It gets scary fast. At 60 degrees forward, which is how most of us scroll, your neck is handling 60 pounds of pressure. That's like strapping a big bag of cement onto your spine just to check your notifications. Yikes! We're talking about serious strain here, people. This kind of pressure, day after day, year after year, it's a recipe for disaster. We're talking chronic pain, stiffness, headaches, even nerve damage down the line. We need to fix this right now. Stay tuned, because in the next section, I'm going to give you the tools to do just that.
Okay, team, let's get practical. Next time you grab your phone, don't do this. Instead, do this. Bring the phone up to eye level. Simple, right? Use your eyes to look down, not your neck. Your spine will be so much happier. Remember, your phone should move, not your neck. Think of it like this. Every time you crane your neck forward, you're putting unnecessary mileage on your spine. Don't let your phone age you before your time. Now let's talk about breaks. Ever heard of the 20-20-20 rule? Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It helps your eyes and resets your posture. Better yet, just take a break. Stand up, stretch, shake it off. The more you move, the better your spine feels. If you're spending hours hunched over your phone, your neck is begging for a break. Want to future-proof your spine? Do these 3 simple exercises daily. Chin tucks. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Neck stretches. Tilt side to side. Hold for 15 seconds. Shoulder rolls. Rotate forward and backward. These moves counteract smartphone slouching and help you keep a strong, pain-free neck. Your spine deserves this. Chapter 3. Join the movement. Move more, stress less. Listen, I get it, we're all glued to our phones these days. It's how we connect, work, and stay entertained. But we can't forget about the most important thing, our health. Ignoring your posture is like ignoring a ticking time bomb. You might not feel it now, but the damage is happening. That's why I'm challenging you to join the movement Move More, Stress Less. It's not just a catchy phrase, it's a lifestyle change that will benefit you for years to come. Taking care of your spine is an investment in your future. A future free from pain, stiffness, and limitations. So, are you in? Let's make a pact right now, right here, to prioritize our spinal health, because a healthy spine equals a healthy life. Alright everyone, that's it for today. Remember, a healthy spine equals a healthy life. So be mindful of your posture, take breaks, and move your body. Drop a comment below if you're guilty of text neck, and tell me, what's your biggest phone habit? Are you a late-night scroller? A non-stop texter? Let's chat, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more quick health hacks to keep you moving and stress-free. Until next time, stay healthy, my friends.